Hey guys, if you love this nimble little wheeled leg robot, don't forget to grab the full open source package. The link is in the pinned comment and the video description below. It includes all the STL files, wiring diagrams, and editable code you need to build your own. No fancy tools required. Perfect for beginners and seasoned makers alike. So what are you waiting for? Click that link, start your build, and tag me in your finished projects. I can't wait to see what you create. Also, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next DIY robotics project. See you in the next video.